But another important aspect of machinery management, machinery protection is the general purpose or balance of plant machines. And understand that B&K Vibro has some new products or new to this application products. Can you tell us a little about what you guys are releasing?
Good morning, Jeremy.
Morning, Glenn.
Good to be back in Deer Park, Texas at Techstars facility.
It's great to have you. Thank you for coming down.
You bet. How are things going in your world?
Going good, going good. You know, Glenn, today we've been talking a lot about the VC8000 and critical machinery protection, along with the diagnostics that the SetPoint software is able to provide. But another important aspect of machinery management, machinery protection is the general purpose or balance of plant machines. And understand that B&K Vibro has some new products or new to this application products. Can you tell us a little about what you guys are releasing and what you're coming up with for the customers that may be looking to monitor those assets?
Yeah, the company either got lucky or got smart or what. But, you know, in a decision to get into the business of monitoring balance of plant equipment, small pumps, motors, fans, blowers, those sorts of things, they recognized that they had a product that had been used on some 30,000 wind turbines very successfully for many, many years. And it's like, why don't we just repurpose that for this application? So it's just a reuse of the same product with some upgrades, of course.
Sure.
But it's really going to be a nice fit. It's got good background, good history, that sort of thing. So anyway, from a customer standpoint, what do you think they're looking for in the way of balance of plant monitoring?
Well, you know, I think in the past it's been cost prohibitive. You know, when you look at doing online monitoring on a machine that you're typically going around with a portable data collector, you may get a sample once a month, you may get a sample once a quarter, but it's been cost prohibitive in the past. So I think, you know, in general, customers are looking for an area classified device that's able to monitor multiple points and provide that data, you know, for additional analysis. So.
Yeah. Well, the box is a 12-channel box.
Yeah.
Often you're going to have more channels, so you can daisy chain two units, 3 units, 4 units to get, you know, additional input capability. We do wire directly to the hardware, so we're not a wireless system, but we can transmit wirelessly the data to a receiver. So it's kind of a
wired wireless system.
Unwired wireless. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. But so it's functional from that standpoint. The other thing that's worked very well with our wind turbine business is the use of descriptors. And it's enabled us to monitor remotely 30,000 turbines continuously, 24/7, use of descriptors that enable the machinery people for just a handful of guys to do that. So we're using the same concept with this product as well. And the descriptors are nothing more than algorithms that are designed around specific malfunctions so that an operator would be looking at a dashboard that's trending a value, an integer value, that represents a particular machinery malfunction. So you'll have a value that represents, say, cavitation, maybe one that represents balance of plant. So this enables an operator to simply look at trends with alarms on those trends, such that maybe he gets an alarm on a, let's say, cavitation. Well, he doesn't need to dial up the machinery guy to come and look at the pump. It's like, cavitation, that's a process problem. I need to get more head on the pump. So it's very, very functional from that standpoint. So I think operators and site people and customers will really respond very positively from that.
Yeah, so what you're saying basically is that the analysis is basically being done inside the box itself.
That's correct.
So there's no need to look at spectrums, no need to look at waveforms. That diagnostic capability is already built into there. Provides alarms as well as that value and a trended value as well.
Exactly.
Wow.
Now, we do have the waveform itself that's transmitted. So if you've got, say, the hardcore machinery guys that want to look at the waveforms, look at the spectrums, they still have that capability.
So that option is there.
Yeah,
that's
so
great.
It's a win-win.
So tell me about this new VST100 that you guys are just rolling out.
Well, there's some people that are just wanting to get started in the business.
Sure.
You know, they're not ready for something like this VCM3. Just need something to go out and do a check. Maybe an operations group that has some high vibration, wants to just go out and do a little quick check, see what the amplitudes are, that sort of thing. And it's got some built-in guidelines of the typical green, yellow, red, based around general criteria around rolling element bearings. So that's kind of what it's keyed to. So it's another entry product that we're offering to the industry.
It's a great step in that direction to be able to start predictively managing your equipment.
Exactly.
Great.
Good.